we're jumping. Front, back, left and right, we got them, we're all in. Ready to bring the vibe in, we got them. Ready for this, the explosion. Be my next tracker, still gotta bounce for you out till you bounce on another. A smooth rapper, till you meet up on another. So unpredictable, like British weather. Buck Wilder, cannibal under the rider. Girls are my ladies, man, true charmer. Guys, Battle of Bush, El Sama. Maybe we just cool like that, with no drama. Armor, pioneer, true starter. First one in, all the rest come after. You ready for the true master? Ready to blast ya with another hot rap.
With the words, but you can see your sights. I get up and put you down if you put up a fight. Ride out, I'm putting the sign out. You now have permission, officially wild out. Watch how I clever deliver the style out. I'm on top of the pop charts, time out. So loud, going down the night. You're the S in the chest, I'm your kryptonite. Whoa, why would they step to me when they don't compare when they're next to me? I got the recipe to get you all next to me. I got the remedy, it's out there, so I'm curing you, listen to me.
Чужого игрока, а не на того чужого, который борется с хищником. Ну а это Криштиан. Да, ножища, будь здоров. Доставайте из сетки, уважаемый Андрес Фернандес. Вова Фабио Коинтрао оценил. Говорит, да-да-да, так Криштиану еще не праздновал. Хорошо поработал в тренажерном зале накануне Криштиану. Ну, это накануне, на самом деле, для Криштиану длится, наверное, уже лет 15. Если не больше. Все-таки потрясающий атлет Криштиану Роналду. Ну какой удар! Как пуля летит мяч. Вы знаете, даже на замедленном повторе он летит с такой скоростью, что трудно уследить и понять траекторию полета мяча. Слушайте, а действительно, таким мышцам может позавидовать даже...
You can own this city. You have everything you need. All it takes is all you got. Life don't ask you if you're ready or not. You can own this city. Deep inside you hold the key. While the world is fast asleep, you can take it all if you just did a dream.
Ever since Tony Mont, the world is mine. I started to think positive, left the negative behind. And while all the other stars were fast asleep, I had to rise and shine. It's funny how I got a brand new G-Shock on my wrist, but I ain't got time to sit talking about who slept with the most girls and who committed the most crime. One day I had a dream like Martin, back when I had a homemade skin fade and a side parting. They used to make jokes about me, now look who's laughing. I'm sitting at the top of the game, loving my heart, Jamie on my chain. Money on my head so it stays on my brain, till it turns me insane.
You can own this city. You have everything you need. All it takes is all you got. Life don't ask you if you're ready or not. You can own this city. Deep inside you hold the key. While the world is fast asleep, you can take it all. You just did a dream.
All this work is hurting my head, but I don't want to spend my whole life sleeping in bed. I'm trying to make a dream come to life, I'll sleep when I'm dead. Time to get down, tie my lace up, cause I'm about to chase some paper. And I can blow 100 fast like Usain Bolt when he ran for Jamaica. Me giving up is against the law. I work hard, I play more, I fell in love with my sold out